Good morning, my lovely responsible kids. Yes, I know that you have liked the story and you have read the story about the lost ball. Remember how Fred was worried and panicked that he has lost his red ball? However, the ball was under the cushion. And after reading the story, you kids are also taking responsibility of your things, keeping your books properly, your shoes properly, your toys on place, and making your bed too. Yes, now you all are grown up kids and you should take care of your things. Put your things in the right place to find them easily later. Yes, kids, when you take something from somewhere, you should put it there only so that in future whenever you need it, you can get it quickly. You don't need to look for it. So, today I am going to tell you the words to know and other activities of this lesson. So, let's start. Words to know. Favorite. Liked more than others. So, favorite means something which is very special to you. You must be having a favorite t-shirt or a toy or a pencil. That is what favorite means. Desperately, very serious. So, very seriously he was looking for the ball. Panicked, a sudden feeling of fear. You get panicked when you start feeling fear. एकदम से जब आपको डर लगने लग जाता है तो you start feeling panicked. Be mindful. Jumping jack. Oh, let's see. Find a peaceful place for yourself. Try jumping up and down in one place for a minute. After a minute, sit down. Close your eyes and put your hand on your heart. Try to feel your heartbeat. Focus on how fast your heartbeat is beating. Now, focus on your breath and try to slow it down. Yes, children, so you need to do the jumping jack. Okay, find a place in the corner and start jumping for a minute. And after a minute, stop jumping and sit down and start feeling your heartbeat. See how your heart is pumping, beating very fast. Now focus on your breath and calm down. So sit down, focus on your breath and calm down your heartbeat. Do this when you have free time. Now let's see the question and answers. What did Charles gifted Fred? He gifted a red ball. How did Fred feel about the gift? He was very happy and excited about the gift. Why was Fred worried? He was worried because he was not finding his red ball. Why couldn't Fred find his ball? He couldn't find his ball because he kept the ball under the cushion and he forgot that. What valuable lesson did Fred learn? So, Fred learned that he should always keep things on place so that he can get them whenever he wants, and he should not be looking for things here and there or asking anybody else. Whom did Fred ask about the lost ball? Tick the right option. So, he asked the cat, the hen and the owl. Circle the wrong option. Fred looked for his lost ball under the bed, on the table, behind the chair, inside the cupboard. So the wrong option is on the table. When Charles came to know that Fred was lost, the ball was lost, he was worried, replied lovingly, started laughing or smiled. So Charles was not worried because he knew where the ball was, under the cushion. Fred asked many creatures about his ball. Use the column to match the animals in the column A with how they replied in column B. One is done for you. Cat did lazily replied that I don't know where your ball is. Now hen, cool and unconcerned. So hen said we were not playing with your ball, so we don't know where your ball is. Owl uncle said I think you should go and check with your master where the ball is. So he was advising him. Okay kids, and master was knowing that the ball was under the cushion. Yes, so keep your things on place. Again we have got Tony and Tutu on page 30. Now I need your crayons, Tutu. Where are yours? I am sure you have lost them again, Tony. Yes, I have lost them again, but I know that you are that you are there to share yours. So now again the monkey has lost his crayons. He's asking the bird that can you share your crayons with me? Now the both friends are sharing their crayons with each other. You also do that, right? Sharing things with your friends and your sisters, brothers, right? Yes, that's a good habit, children. Now subject connect. There are certain words in the story that ends with ly, like slowly, lazily, heavily and happily. Such words shown how an action is done. They are called adverbs. Fill in the blanks using ly words in the box. Now let's see. Joy always wishes everybody politely. The snail moved slowly across the road. Bruno looked at the bone hungrily. Ria writes neatly. The train stopped suddenly. Yes, children. Now, value for life. Your friend asked you to take care of his dog for some time. You forgot to close the door and the dog ran away. The dog was found in neighbor's garden. Where you are responsible, write in few words. So now your friend has left his dog with you to take care for some time. However, you forgot to close the door and the dog ran out and was found in your neighbor's garden. So write about your responsibility in this space you have, children. Now be wise. Responsibility is to follow rules at home and at school. Rules are made for our safety and to protect our rights and the rights of others. Yes, children, why are rules made in school and at home? So that we can protect you, so that we can protect others also. To be responsible and to do our duties. Yes, you should be a responsible individual and you should do your duties correctly and on time. To take care of our own bodies as best we can. Yes, rules are made, responsibilities are made so that we can take care of ourselves. To respect the rights of others, to look after our own belongings and respect the belongings of others, to learn as well as we can, to care about those who are not strong in some other way. Yes, so we should always take responsibility, children, of ourselves and for others. You should be responsible for yourself and you should respect others too. Okay, can you think of other responsibilities that you might have? So think of few responsibility that you are taking at home or at school, okay, and write it there. Now there is a fun activity for you. Again, Fred has lost his ball. Now you need to help him to find the ball. So do you see Fred, white dog, sitting here and the arrow is there? So match the arrow and see from where Fred can go in the open area and get the ball, right? Do this activity in the book and try and help Fred to find the ball. So children, that was all about the lost ball and taking responsibility. I hope you liked the story and read the chapter again, listen to the question answers and words to know. I will meet you again next week with one more new story. Till that time, be safe and take care. Bye bye.